Hi, in this video I will show you how to track order in CNfans. So CNfans, you can find it by going to their website which is cnfans.com. They also have an application. So as you can see, you can place order by pasting right here a product link for a shop and then getting in here the QNC storage as well as the international ship option. We also have in here some categories for agent guides, discords, special sales, and the likes. Now, if you want to track your order, you can just head over to the orders tab and then find the order that you're looking to track. Like for example, in here is this one. So we have in here this. So this is the actual product and we have in here the status. March 25 and we have May 7. We have in here this product has been sent out and your product has been arrived. So you can see in here the status of the actual product once you head over to that. You can also copy the order number and then from in there just head over to all parcels or universal tracking. So once you have searched right here for universal tracking, you can go over to the parcelsapp.com and then input right here the tracking number and track the package, and you can also see in here the actual status from there. So that's how you track order on CNFans. Hope we help.